I'm Ashlee Capomolla, the owner and artist behind Ashlee Studio. I specialise in customisable artwork of people, pets, family members. I also do textured artwork and event invites and stationery. For me, a really great unboxing experience is getting customers excited when they see that package arrive and straight away see that it's Ashlee Studio, then unwrapping it to have that final artwork reveal. So my advice for any small business owners or content creators, it's really about getting your brand in that unboxing experience and really that anticipation for that final reveal of your product. I personally love to use Vista products that are different to what anyone else does. So for me, it's really printing my artwork on absolutely everything. So my mugs, my notepads, I use business cards as swing tags, greeting cards. It's also about that brand awareness and using products such as stickers, thank you cards. Sometimes I like to throw in a little bit of a freebie. For me, it's really taking a generic product and turning it into something special for your own brand.